Alright, I'm here at the mad scientist's house, and he's going to put me to work. Say hi, frame maker, just like you did the other day.
Hi, frame maker.
And there you go.
Yeah, we're going to put Ken to work today.
Ken's got to work to earn his keep, or something. What's the plan here?
So I want to do some machining on this frame. We're going to add front mounts for the R6 gas tank.
Righto.
We're also going to shave off just a few thousandths on the insides of the swing arm pivots. The swing arm fits really tight.
Much too tight.
So we just want to ease that up a little bit.
Righto.
So maybe take 10 thousandths off each side. That'll give us 0.5 millimeter overall. And before we do that, we're going to trim off some excess material. That'll make the frame easier to work with. It'll get us kind of down to a clean slate where we can start with some new modifications.
There we go. So how do we mark where to cut?
That's what we're going to do now.
Get rid of that part.
Get rid of that. This all comes out. Down here, we need to cut off this guy. I don't know that this tab is still needed. We're either going to cut it here or we're going to cut it here and all of that off.
Okay, so if we go GSXR foot pegs,
Then this.
all of that.
So then you can ignore that one.
Right.
And same thing over on this side.
A lot of instructions for me to remember. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this.
We're also
It's a lot of pressure.
This little shock adjustment doohickey.
No, I want to keep that. I have an extra one. Take two.
Alright, fans of Ken's Garage. So Ken, wanting to do his best hipster motorcycle build video, wants to see lots of sparks because every hipster video has sparks. So we got out the grinder. This will make lots and lots of sparks, and we'll try and get some footage of that just so we have that hipster content.
Yeah, we can do that in slow motion too.
Yeah. Now, if you really are a hipster and you've got the flannel shirt and the big beard, no offense. We're just joking around here. Props to whatever you're making. I know you built some cool shit. But Ken, take it away with the grinder and make some sparks.
I'm gonna make sparks. You there, boss? Yeah. I've been working for like 10 minutes. Can I take a 15-minute break?
Yeah.
I'm getting a little tired. The other method.
Yeah, if you're not using the grinder. What's that?
I said I think I lightened my frame up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely making progress here, I think. This is progress in Julian's garage. I don't know what it is in Ken's garage.
So this is a reverse spot face tool. Goes together like this.
And then you come
and
back
you
that
come
way?
in this way through the hole.
I see. Cool. Very smart, Professor. Here's the magic cutting tool. Cool.
Alright, we're going to make some noise.
to the red frame, since he's got it set up to cut that side. Got a little bit of work accomplished today. Thanks to Julian and his magic shop over here. Looks like the red one might be missing something. You see what's missing on the red one? So Julian, one other thing.
Yeah.
You said if I want to go back to the 350 stuff, I can, right? We could put this frame back to standard?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can do probably about a 20-minute project.
Yeah, okay. I'll think about
You
that.
saved all the pieces, right?
Yeah, they're right. Right. Whoops. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's the parts, some of them. So yeah,